Good morning, sir.
Happy morning, ma'am.
Thank you, sir.
What will you tell today?
I will tell one moral story, sir.
Okay, ma'am. Tell me, what is the title of the story?
Title is 99 Club, sir.
Okay, ma'am. Tell me.
Okay, sir. Once upon a time, there was a king and minister.
Yeah.
They went to village. They saw one farmer.
The farmer was?
The farmer was very happy. The king asked to minister,
Yeah.
why farmer was very happy.
Yeah.
Minister said they did not join in 99 Club. King asked minister, what about 99 Club?
Yes, ma'am.
Minister said, I will tell after 2 months. First of all,
Please give me.
you please give me 99 gold coins.
Yes, ma'am.
He agreed to give 99 coins.
Okay, ma'am.
Next day, he gave 99 coins to minister.
Okay.
Then minister took the coins and came to farmer's house.
Oh.
He kept it in front of the house.
Yeah.
Next day, farmer opened the door. He saw one bag in front of his house.
Okay.
He opened and surprised. He took the bag and came and went into the house. He opened the bag and counted the coins. Coins are 99 pieces. He thought, why are there 99 coins in bag? One is missing. So he thought, I will earn 1 coin.
Okay.
I round up 100 coins.
Okay, ma'am.
He
did hard work.
He did hard work and
To earn one gold coin.
he did hard work and to earn 1 gold coin.
Yeah.
But after 2 days, his wife took 2 coins for her personal expenses.
Very nice.
And his son also took 2 coins for his shopping purpose.
Okay.
After 1 week, the farmer opened the bag, but 4 coins were missed.
Yes, ma'am. Nice.
4 coins were missed. He quarreled with his wife and son. Both of them are quarreling. That time, king and farmer came. Came. That time, king and minister came.
Yes.
King asked minister, why are they quarreling?
Yeah.
Minister said,
Yeah.
he joined in 99 Club.
Yeah.
What about 99 Club? King asked.
Yeah.
He said, minister said,
Yeah.
what we have, we are not satisfied.
Yeah.
What we don't have, we search for it. Then the problems are started.
Yeah.
You have also big palace and kingdom, but you are not happy. So, moral of the story, happiness is not a destination, it is a journey.
You narrated the story very neatly and according to formation also correct. And you are also developing your English skill day by day.
Thank you very much, sir, for encouraging.
Okay, for encouraging.